For centuries, humanity has been divided by borders, by race, by belief. Yet, in the 19th century, a new faith emerged with a bold, unifying vision. Humanity is one. All the religions come from the same divine source. This is Baha'i Faith, a modern religion carrying an ancient, timeless message for our global age. The Baha'i Faith arose in the 19th century, a time of political unrest, social change, and spiritual explorations. In Persia, two figures appeared to guide humanity toward a new era. The first was the Bab, meaning the gate. A young merchant, Sayyid al-Muhammad, declared that humanity must prepare for a greater messenger of God. His teachings challenged rigid traditions, called for moral renewal, and for his message, he endured imprisonment and execution. Yet, his sacrifice ignited a movement that could not be silenced. Among the followers of the Bab was noble man, Baha'u'lláh, meaning the glory of God. After years of persecution and exile, Baha'u'lláh declared that he was the messenger foretold by the Bab. It taught that God reveals truth progressively through Abraham, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, and now through him. Though imprisoned much of his life, Baha'u'lláh produced vast writings calling humanity to unity, peace, and justice. At the heart of Baha'u'lláh, with the Baha'i faith, lies a radical idea. All major religions come from the same divine source. They are not rivals, they are chapters of a single unfolding revelations. Difference arises from time, culture, and human interpretation, not from God. This teaching seeks to end religious conflict not by erasing faith, but by honoring it all. The Baha'i faith teaches that race, gender, and nationality are human constructions, not spiritual truths. Men and women are equal. Education is essential. Prejudice is a spiritual disease. As Baha'u'llah said, the earth is but one country, and mankind its citizens. This vision calls for global cooperation, justice, and peace. Unlike many other religions, the Baha'i faith has no clergy. Leadership is elected based on service and moral character, not power. Decision making happens through consultation, a collective search for truth. This system seeks to prevent division, ego, and domination, emphasizing unity and in action. Baha'i worship is simple, personal, and universal. Prayer, meditation, and services are inseparable. To serve humanity is to worship God. Baha'i houses of worship are open to all, regardless of belief, symbolizing inclusion, unity, and peace. Today, the Baha'i faith is present in nearly every country. It works quietly through education, community building, and peace initiatives. In a fractured world, it offers a blueprint for global unity. The Baha'i faith does not seek to replace other religions, it seeks to unite them. It does not deny differences, it transcends them. In a world searching for peace, its message is simple: humanity is one, the future is shared,